There's a bird right there in the center where I'm filming, holding very still. I want to get pictures up. There he goes. Another bird right there. Whoops. It's hard to hold the camera still and walk. But I do want to get closer to take good pictures. You listen really closely. There's a bird in these apple trees here that I can't see, but I can hear. And now he's being quiet. Where are you? You're up there somewhere. A couple of crows. They were in the tree right above my head, but then my cat ran up the tree and scared the crow, and the crow flew away. There's two of them that I see now. It's hard to zoom in right where the crow is at. Oh, that wind feels great. Oh yeah. Come over here, crow. I want to take your picture. Yeah. Alright, crow wins. Kitty wins too. Come on, kitty. Kitty! Meow! Meow! Bella says, I'm a crow. See, I'm black. Don't be afraid of me, crow. I'm just like you. In the tree. There is a crow. Pretty darn sure. He's kind of far away, so it's hard to tell. He won't talk to me. Caw, caw! They usually like to call back. He's just hanging out. What are you doing, crow? Come on, fly. Do something cool. He's far, far away. Ah. Flew deeper into the forest. Oh well. I'm wondering if this bird is a thrush, a Swainson's thrush. He's not really moving around a whole lot. So it's hard to see his flight. Come on, fly, little birdie. Fly! Good job flying. That was too fast for my camera. He is. Okay, there you go. Up and up and up. Ah, oh, come back. That was a sapsucker. Oh. And he was, oh, there he is. He's right over there. He's eating the sap out of the tree. Try to find him. Fast little birdie. Hey, crow.